Even if you live 100 more years, there's always something new to discover in this world. What matters isn't covering as much as possible, but spending each moment meaningfully, so that at the end, we've truly lived. Before I move on to another adventure, I wanted to create one more memory here on my channel from the restaurant we visited in Tallinn's Old Town.
I tell you everything, but before the feast can begin, we must do a very important ritual, yes? Uh, which one of you is the richer and the stronger one? You, sir, yes, I think. Well, so yes, please stand up. No, the whole one, the whole, yes. Now show your strength. Break it in half. Very good. Now put one here. Okay, and I'll take some salt. Yes, with the fingers. Yes. I'll put on the bread. And I'll try the bread. It's good, yes? Do you have enemies here?
Enemies?
No, so it's not poison. Very well, okay. So now the feast can begin if the table master likes everything, right?
Okay.
So vivat!
I'm so glad we met these lovely people with their warm smiles who made our moment so precious. So this is how the starters were served beautifully.
From the east goes together with this lentil bread.
You can easily find Olde Hansa somewhere in Tallinn's Old Town. It's not just about food, the whole experience is worth trying. It brings Tallinn's medieval history to life. As soon as I stepped in, I smelled the spiced flavors of traditional food and was welcomed by warm smiles. On top of that, the traditional background music brought the historic vibe to life. Just thinking about these moments makes me want to go back. The food, the atmosphere, everything at Olde Hansa is so memorable. Remember when we were young and it felt like we had all the time in the world. Yet, someone in their 60s once said, breakfast seems to come every 15 minutes. Time isn't just about how much we have, it's about how we experience it. As we go age, routines make our years feel shorter, and our brains skip over the familiar. But by seeking new experiences, we can expand our perception of time and make life feel richer. Whether it's traveling, learning something new, or breaking habits, these small changes help us slow down and truly live. It's actually not about doing more, it's about making time feel abundant.
Animals from the forest. Where are you from?
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka. So yes, these animals from the forest. I personally recommend either this deer fillet, this is slow grill, firstly on this very hot grill, and then this hot. So, this is Chef Frederick's signature game meat sausages. So there is wild boar, there is elk, and there is bear as well. And it is supposed to be eaten with this horseradish cream right here.
Okay.
Here. And finally, the grand leg of Venice duck served in saffron sauce. Right, so I put this here, and now you enjoy.
Thank you. Yes.
The legend behind it is that whoever eats these rose leaves, yes, he gets younger. You know, I am 500 years old already. Yes, because I eat this every day, so I stay young. But you enjoy it.
Okay, thank you.
My husband recorded so many clips here, so I thought I should share with you. I'm really grateful for the time I spent here and the memories I made. Meeting new people, trying new food, and learning new things. These are the things that make life's journey so meaningful. I truly cherish these moments and hope you enjoyed. And see you with another video. Goodbye.